fast is the hair going to grow, and what is the timeline between getting the grafts placed and then going through the whole cycle where you have final results. When you do hair transplantation, it is not something that is just instant. There's about 10% of our patients that do get almost immediate growth, but 90% will fall into this scenario. When we look at a graft, we're looking at kind of the connective tissue and stem cells that make up the sheath of the follicle with the hair inside. So when you move that unit, the hair keeps growing out, but the stem cells in the sheath turn off. That is not a bad scenario because it means that the graft is not damaged, that the hair is still growing out. But the inconvenient aspect of this is that these stem cells go dormant for about 3 or 4 months. So the general time frame for this is we place the grafts. You will actually notice hair growth over the next 7 to 10 days. And then the hair within the follicle will actually grow itself out and fall out. Oftentimes, there's a lot of hair loss from the follicles at day 10 when we ask you to actually clean off any residual scabs. There will be kind of a hair associated with the scab. That is typical. The grafts go dormant for about 3 to 4 months, and then at that time, there's a slow process where the hair starts growing. Many people are concerned that when the hair starts growing that they're going to have like everything coming up at once and it's going to be very awkward. It's quite contrary to that. It actually grows in an amazing natural way to where it's not really obvious that something happened. Then over the next 4 to possibly even up to 10 to 15 months, the hair will go through increased growth as far as the number of follicles that are coming out, with maximal density generally over 90% after about 12 months. But this whole process of maturation and density and then thickening of each hair that we grafted can take even 15 to 18 months. So this is a slow process, but it is the way nature has designed the hair follicle. We specialize in a shaveless procedure and really the art of concealment so that the procedure is concealed. Once the scabs are off and the hairs start to shed, the skin becomes normal, and then it grows at a very natural way so that as it thickens up, people are not saying, "Did you get hair transplants?" They're asking, "How do you look so good?" So hopefully this answers some of your questions. Give us a call at 678-845-7521. You can find us at nahairrestoration.com. We are happy to help.